Vanakkam, Namaskara, Namaste. Hello and welcome to this video. In this video, we will learn DSUM. DSUM, D stands for database. So basically, we will sum up from the data list. So this function examines a list of information and produces a total. So let's understand this with an example. Here we have data list. Uh, the sales groups are in group B and column C, and regions are in column C, and then sales figures across here: October, November, December, January, and this is in column H is the total. So this is our database list. So DSUM will calculate the sum from a data list, specifying the criteria. And the prerequisite is for to have to calculate the DSUM is we should have the criteria here. So here we want total of Bangalore. What is the total sales for Bangalore? So this on first row is the column header. So it will find from here. See this database. So region, and it will go across and find the field. From this field, the list which we have given this Bangalore. So it will go everywhere wherever it is Bangalore and some subsidy value from column H. So let's see the syntax and how we can do equals to DSUM, D for database, sum, open bracket. So database. So this is our database. So from B2 to H18. So we'll select the entire database. Then comma. Next is the field. Field from where we want the amount to be added. So we want from total. So wherever Bangalore is there, so should pick add up the totals from this field. So we are specifying the field. So just we'll click on the field header. So H2, comma, criteria. So this is region and we'll look for Bangalore. So we'll select these two. So this will be our criteria. So it will sum up from the field total wherever the region is Bangalore. So we'll just close the bracket and enter. So what it has done, it has looked into field region, and wherever it found Bangalore, it summed up the from total. So it is 93,47,764. Let's look into another example. Here we'll take two criterias. We want the region Chennai and sales group only coffee. So how do we do that? Equals to DSUM, open bracket, the database. So we'll select the database, comma, the field. Again we'll take from, we want the field, which one we want to be total is from field total. So we'll select this field, H2, comma. And what is the criteria? Sales group coffee and region Chennai. So we'll select this entire thing and close the bracket. Enter. So it has looked for coffee and sales group coffee and region Chennai, and it summed up all the total. So it comes up to 26,90,640. So here you see 26 because we have only one line of coffee in Chennai. So just for example, we'll make this also coffee to understand the example better. Now see the amount has become 48,40,000. If we sum up this and this, can you see here 48 lakh 42,958. Yeah. So this is how we do DSUM. I hope you like this video. I'll see you in next video. Until then, it's bye from Saravanan Jairam.